In this next section, we're going to talk about the steps a consultant would take to send a transmittal to a MoDOT project manager. To show you the transmittal process from a consultant to the MoDOT organization, I first need to sign in as a consultant. As you can see in the upper right hand corner, I signed in as John Doe Consultant. And because of that, the members that you see on the left hand side are the internal members. The external organization is MoDOT. To see the roles of the individual members, all you need to do is select the Manage button. When looking at the roles, you can see that the two consultants are quite different. John Doe Consultant is the project administrator and project manager. He can also in deliverables management be the administrator, issuer, receiver, and approver. Now let's move on to deliverables management. Within deliverables management, to send a new transmittal, you can be within any of the three tabs along the top: incoming, outgoing, or drafts. To send that new transmittal, all you have to do is go to the upper right hand corner, select new, and then new transmittal. In the general tab of the new transmittal, you can add in subject, purpose, and comments for your new transmittal. For this example, for the subject, we're going to enter preliminary plan submittal and purpose for review. The items marked with a red asterisk are required for a new transmittal. You can also look at the transmittal cover letter and change the default template. Lastly, you can mark the transmittal as confidential data included. The next tab in the new transmittal is Recipients. You add recipients by selecting the Add Recipients button. Typically, when a consultant sends a package to MoDOT using deliverables management, only the MoDOT project manager is listed in the Add Recipients dialog. In this case, Stephen Atkinson. Once the recipient is selected, the user will then select the Add Selected button at the bottom of the dialog. After a recipient has been added, you'll notice by default that the Acknowledge and Respond to Transmittal options are both turned on. The timing of those options are defined in the Scheduling tab. If by chance you've added the wrong recipient, you can check the box next to the recipient's name and then select the Remove button. Next, in the Documents tab, you can upload a zip package or you can upload individual files for the transmittal. In this example, we're going to upload a zip package. After selecting the Upload Package button, the filing dialog will appear. Selecting the Browse button will take you out to your computer where you can select a zip file. In our zip file that we're going to select, we have 6 files and several folders. We have a plan folder, survey folder, and a cross-section folder. Once the zip file is selected, you'll select Upload Package. After the package has been uploaded, you'll notice that the folder structure of the zip file is retained. The arrows to the right of the individual files will reveal more information. The version number is typically left blank on the very first upload. In the Scheduling tab is where you define the settings for planned issues, acknowledgements, and responses. Under the Response tab will be a listing of all the responses to the transmittals that were sent out. In our current example, we have not sent any transmittals out, so therefore this field is empty. To send the current transmittal out, all you have to do is select the Issue button. Before the package is issued, Deliverables Management will ask you to confirm that you want to issue the package. One thing you can do before confirming is you can review the cover letter. Here is our example transmittal cover letter. The cover letter includes information like transmittal detail, including the sender, comments, recipients, and the listing of documents. The transmittal template is customizable. For example, if I wanted to, I could place my company's logo on the document. Once the transmittal has been sent, if you go back out to Deliverables Management and the Outgoing tab, you will see the transmittal that you sent. Within that transmittal, you will see the status and the number of days for the recipient to acknowledge and respond to your transmittal.